High in the Andes Mountains, nestled between Peru and Bolivia, lies Lake Titicaca, a breathtaking expanse of deep blue water. At an altitude of 12,507 feet, or 3,812 meters, it is the world's highest navigable lake, a remarkable feat of nature. The lake is a vital resource for the surrounding communities, providing sustenance, transportation, and a deep connection to their cultural heritage. Its sheer size and unique location create a microcosm of life, supporting a delicate ecosystem teeming with unique flora and fauna. The lake's name, Titicaca, is thought to derive from indigenous languages, meaning rock of the puma or lead puma, possibly referencing its shape and the presence of pumas in the surrounding mountains. The Incas held the lake sacred, believing it to be the birthplace of the sun and the moon. This reverence is still palpable today as the local communities continue to honor the lake's significance in their traditions and daily lives. The lake's ethereal beauty and the rich cultural tapestry woven around it draw visitors from around the globe. The lake is divided into two sub-basins, the larger Lago Grande and the smaller Huinay Marca, connected by the Strait of Tiquina. The shores of Lake Titicaca are dotted with traditional villages, their inhabitants maintaining a way of life deeply intertwined with the lake. The unique environment of Lake Titicaca presents both challenges and opportunities for its inhabitants, shaping their resilience and ingenuity in adapting to life at such high altitude. The lake's vastness and depth add to its mystique, hinting at the hidden wonders beneath its surface. Lake Titicaca boasts a unique ecosystem shaped by its high altitude, intense solar radiation, and isolation. The lake is home to a variety of endemic species found nowhere else on Earth, highlighting its ecological importance. These species have adapted to the specific conditions of the lake, including the high salinity and fluctuating temperatures. The balance of this delicate ecosystem is crucial for the survival of these unique organisms. Among the endemic species are the giant Titicaca water frog, known for its loose skin folds that increase its surface area for respiration in the oxygen-thin air, and the Titicaca grebe, a flightless bird that relies on the lake for its survival. The lake also supports a diverse range of aquatic plant life, including totora reeds, which play a vital role in the ecosystem. These reeds provide habitat for fish and birds and are used by local communities for building materials, crafts, and even food. The clarity of the water varies depending on the season and location, allowing sunlight to penetrate to varying depths, influencing the distribution of aquatic life. The lake's depth also plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, creating distinct zones with varying levels of oxygen, temperature, and light penetration. These variations influence the distribution of fish species and other aquatic organisms, creating a complex web of life within the lake. The lake's ecosystem faces several challenges, including pollution from agricultural runoff and human activities, the introduction of invasive species, and the impacts of climate change. These pressures threaten the delicate balance of the ecosystem and the survival of its unique inhabitants. Protecting this unique environment is crucial for the future of Lake Titicaca and the communities that depend on it. Maintaining the integrity of the ecosystem is essential for preserving the lake's biodiversity and ensuring its long-term health. For centuries, the indigenous communities around Lake Titicaca have relied on traditional fishing techniques passed down through generations. These methods, honed over time, demonstrate a deep understanding of the lake's ecosystem and its inhabitants. Respect for the lake and its resources is at the heart of these traditional practices. Sustainability is key, ensuring that future generations can continue to benefit from the lake's bounty. One common method is fishing with reed boats, called balsas, crafted from the abundant totora reeds. These boats are remarkably stable and maneuverable, allowing fishermen to navigate the shallows and open waters. Fishermen often use hand-woven nets or simple fishing lines, targeting specific species based on their behavior and habitat. The knowledge of where and when to fish is passed down through families, ensuring the continuation of these sustainable fishing practices. Another traditional technique involves using atarayas, weighted nets cast from the shore or from boats. These nets are skillfully thrown to trap fish in the shallows, requiring precision and timing. The size of the mesh is carefully chosen to target specific species and avoid catching smaller, immature fish, contributing to the long-term health of the fish population. This selective fishing practice ensures the preservation of the lake's biodiversity. Traditional fishing is not just a means of sustenance, it is deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of the communities around Lake Titicaca. Fishing often involves rituals and ceremonies honoring the lake and its gifts. The knowledge and skills associated with traditional fishing are valued and respected within the community. These practices represent a harmonious relationship between humans and nature, a testament to the wisdom of generations past. Section 4. Modern fishing practices. While traditional fishing methods remain prevalent, modern fishing practices have also been introduced to Lake Titicaca. These methods often involve the use of motorized boats, larger nets, and more advanced fishing gear. The introduction of these technologies has increased fishing efficiency, but also raises concerns about sustainability and potential impacts on the lake's ecosystem. Carefully managing these modern fishing practices is essential to prevent overfishing and ensure the long-term health of the fish populations. Motorized boats allow fishermen to cover larger distances and access deeper waters, potentially leading to increased catches. However, the use of these boats can also disturb the lake's ecosystem, contributing to noise pollution and potentially damaging sensitive habitats. Balancing the benefits of increased efficiency with the potential environmental impacts is crucial for the sustainable management of the lake's resources. Regulations and responsible fishing practices are necessary to mitigate these risks. Larger nets, while efficient, can lead to bycatch, the unintentional capture of non-target species, including endangered or vulnerable species. This can have detrimental effects on the lake's biodiversity and disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Implementing selective fishing gear and practices can help minimize bycatch and protect non-target species. Educating fishermen about the importance of avoiding bycatch is crucial for promoting responsible fishing practices. The introduction of modern fishing practices requires careful consideration and monitoring to ensure that they do not negatively impact the lake's ecosystem or undermine traditional fishing methods. Finding a balance between tradition and modernity is essential for the sustainable management of Lake Titicaca's fisheries. Collaboration between local communities, government agencies, and researchers is vital for developing and implementing effective management strategies. Promoting responsible fishing practices and ensuring compliance with regulations are crucial for preserving the lake's resources for future generations. Section 5. Key fish species of Titicaca. Lake Titicaca supports a diverse array of fish species, many of which are endemic to the lake. These fish play a vital role in the lake's ecosystem and are essential for the livelihoods of local communities. Understanding the behavior and habitat of these key species is crucial for effective fisheries management and conservation efforts. Protecting these fish populations ensures the long-term health of the lake and the sustainability of the fishing industry. One of the most iconic fish species in Lake Titicaca is the ispi, a small silvery fish that forms the basis of the local diet. These fish are found in large schools and are an important food source for larger fish, birds, and humans. The ispi fishery is crucial for the local economy, providing income and sustenance for many families. Managing the ispi fishery sustainably is essential for ensuring its long-term viability. Another important species is the sush, a large catfish that can grow up to considerable sizes. The such is a prized catch among fishermen and is considered a delicacy in the region. However, overfishing has led to a decline in such populations, raising concerns about its future. Implementing regulations and promoting responsible fishing practices are crucial for protecting the suche and ensuring its continued presence in the lake. The karachi, a small fish similar to the ispi, is also an important part of the lake's ecosystem. Karachi are often caught along with ispi and contribute to the overall fish catch. These small fish play a vital role in the food web, serving as prey for larger fish and other aquatic animals. Understanding the interactions between different fish species is crucial for maintaining the balance of the lake's ecosystem.